Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Anil Nandlall, during his weekly program Issues in the News on Tuesday evening, attempted to distance the government from the questionable commercial land deals that have reportedly been going down at the Central Housing and Planning Authority, CHPA. The Attorney General said he is unaware of the land transactions by CHPA involving prime lands near the ExxonMobil headquarters at Ogo on the east coast of Demerara and along the Heroes Highway on the East Bank Corridor.
Now, I don't work with the Central Housing and Planning. I don't monitor their day-to-day activities. So I am not in receipt of who gets lands or not following the government's process.
The AG made it clear that he is not defending who buys property in New York, who gets property in New York, and how they pay for it, but explained that the government has a policy in relation to the disposal of state assets, in particular lands.
Either they must be an expression of interest, inviting investments, or inviting potential applicants to apply for these lands.
Officials of the Central Housing and Planning Authority have been coming under the microscope for their alleged involvement in the sale of tens of acres of lands in prime areas to businessmen deemed close to the government. The Chief Executive Officer of the Central Housing and Planning Authority, Sharon Greaves, announced his resignation on Tuesday amid a flurry of allegations of real estate fraud and illegal sale of lands to a convicted Guyanese fraudster.
The particular gentleman, I have seen his resignation, I have seen his public statement. That issue, I suppose, will be dealt with by his lawyers, but that's not the government's business.
Tiana Cole reporting for the HGP Nightly News.